Let me tell you a little bit about what we can focus on here with today's daytime highs, these cooler temperatures up in Paso Robles, looking at 29 degrees right now, 37 in San Luis Obispo, 35 in Santa Maria, low 30s there for Solvang as well as Gaviota. Now, the big talker too is our wind forecast. You can see that these winds are already really picking up, especially in Santa Barbara County, Lompoc, Santa Barbara. Even today, as we head into this evening, we're looking at those winds really picking up, even along the north coast here, about 20-mile-per-hour winds, and that'll be the average for today. Our microclimate model, light scattered showers in the forecast for this morning, expected to die off by around 8 o'clock, but then hang off the coastline here. You might even see some light cloud coverage as well. Now here's a look at our satellite radar. Look at this light up. All of these watches and warnings that are in place. Let's talk about them here. We have a high surf advisory that's in place for San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara County's coastline. Now that goes from 6 this morning until 2 this afternoon. You can see that the surf could build from 10 to 14 feet. And then also hard freeze warning. That'll be in place tomorrow morning from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. and also on Wednesday morning within that same time frame as well, as those overnight temperatures dip to the mid to high 20s. And there's also a wind advisory in place for San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties. That's from noon to 9 tonight, and that's about a 20 to 30 mile per hour range, which we just saw in our wind forecast, but those gusts could really pick up to about 35 miles per hour. But as we head further inland in Santa Barbara County, another wind advisory to look out for here. This one with gusts reaching up to 50 miles per hour. Now that goes until 10 o'clock tonight. Now here's a look at your daytime highs. Again, on the chillier side, Santa Maria and Lompoc looking at mid-50s, 58 though for San Luis Obispo as well as Santa Barbara. Up in Paso Robles looking at a daytime high of 54 degrees. Out in Vandenberg, 54 as well. As we head further inland to Cuyama, looking at 46 degrees, high 50s along the coast here from Carpinteria up to Goleta. And as we continue up here further north, 55 for Pismo, 46 also for California Valley, low 50s for Shandon and Los Osos. And then we're looking at low to mid 50s as we continue up here from Morro Bay to San Simeon. And while you're out and about today, as those temperatures cool down, don't forget to share your pictures with us using that hashtag at the top of your screen here. Be on KSBY on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'll send it back to you guys.